Denver in a case against Fred Loya. You know, they sell like $25,000 insurance policies, that's it, and they never want to pay. And it's like, what happens is you can actually, if you make an offer or a settlement opportunity, you say, look, there's $18,000 in medical bills, it's a $25,000 policy, pain and suffering, whatever, pay it. And they say no, and you're like, crazy, okay, I'll file the lawsuit. But now you got a potential for excess exposure beyond the 25, and that defendant could wind up suing the insurance company for bad faith insurance, right? We never try to set that up. People say you set them up for bad faith. No, you give them everything and let them it up, because they're gonna give you one after the other. They'll do the right thing every once in a while. In fact, I just recently did do something I was kind of surprised, like someone looked at it and thought this is not good and paid us a decent amount of money on the case. They had this female doctor. She was sweet enough, right? But she had 4 different reports with 4 different conclusions as to what caused the need for the spine surgery. And the third one was the car crash. And then the fourth one wasn't, the final one. And I beat her up so bad on cross-examination. And I know the medicine, especially spine, really well. I'll take on neurosurgeons any day of the week. I'll always defer to a friend of mine who's a neurosurgeon to educate me, make sure I'm not saying anything wrong or missing something. And I absolutely dismantled her. And my friend was out watching. Nick had hired a new litigation paralegal, which are very hard to find, and to go to trial. Very hard to find people that are qualified. If you're out there looking to be a paralegal, go that route, because you're going to be in high demand if you're good, and very hard to find. And so he had his paralegal was out there to watch, and Jacob was out, and Jacob comes over to me and he said, I got to tell you, man, I don't think I've ever seen a doctor get dismantled that badly on the stand. I mean, you absolutely crushed her. They made her get on an airplane to go fly to Chicago to go see one of their doctors, which was a Rule 35 or independent medical exam, to screw her. That's literally what those lawyers did. And it's like, this poor woman had no idea what was going on. You think they're your friend, you're out of your mind.